What's going on? Making a video for the channel again, and we're back out on this one pond where I caught one fish off the brush piles over there, and I'm gonna see if we can't catch anything today. But I don't think it's gonna be that good fishing, just because we did get like 2 feet of snow, so a lot of snow. And I just don't know if these fish are gonna be that active enough to eat a whole bunch of things. Oh my gosh, dude, a freaking bass just blew up on that. That was wicked. That was so freaking cool. It was like a 1-pounder. Just came up for it as soon as I set the freaking thing down. Oh, I got him. Oh, that was so sick. That was so cool. Oh my gosh, dude, the glide bait strikes again. Dude, this is the same exact bass, just ate that thing. Oh, that was so cool. Ate it right on the edge of that dock. So freaking cool. Oh my goodness. That was pretty damn sick. Don't know if you guys got that on film, but feisty guy. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Can't believe he ate it like that. That was crazy, dude. He ate it literally on the edge of that dock. That was so cool. So freaking cool. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. The power of the glide bait is insane. That was pretty wicked. Oh my god, that was like a 5-pounder. Are you kidding me, dude? They're stacked on this dock. I let him. Oh my gosh, dude, he ripped the rod out of my hand. Almost. Oh my gosh. That was a big fish. Saw that line as soon as I paused it, saw that line just shoot out. Got him. Oh my god, that's a freaking giant. Oh my god, that's a freaking toad. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That's a 6, maybe 5. I don't know, he's puking out a shad. Oh my goodness gracious, dude. Look at that. Freaking talk about glide bait eaters. Freaking eating a shad. Dude, that has the biggest gut on a bass I've ever caught. Oh my goodness. This thing's huge. Freaking on the glide bait, dude. This is the time you want to come out here. fish for big bass right there. That's a big one. Oh my goodness. That's a chode. That's literally a chode. Let's weigh this fish. I'm guessing it's like a 5-pounder. Heck yeah, dude. Yeah, 5'4". 5'4". That's a big bass, dude. Oh my goodness. This thing has a big old shad in its mouth too. That's insane. That's a 5-pounder on the glide bait. That's the biggest bass I ever caught on a glide bait for sure. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna release this big girl. Can't believe that shad is in the mouth of that big fish. Oh, she's very, oh yeah, she's right underneath the dock. That's her home right there. That's her home. Oh gosh. All right, 2 fish on the glide bait. I think today's gonna be a good day. Freaking made a long ass bike ride to this pond because I knew it might be fire. Heck yeah. All right, I calmed down from catching that fish because that was pretty cool. I saw him eat it too. Oh geez, on a glide bait too. This is the most fish I've probably ever caught on a glide bait one day. That's insane. I wonder how many more fish are on this dock. There's probably a lot more. This is like pretty good structure. There's more structure out there, but they want this glide bait so bad right now. So I'm gonna give it to them. All right, nothing right there. So I caught the first fish literally on that corner of that dock. Caught the other one in the middle of the dock. Well, I ruined the fishing and hit the dock. Oh my gosh, dude, that was a freaking 10. Okay, that was not a 10, but he ate it on the fall and I was not ready for it. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness, there's so many fish on this dock right now. So many fish are on this dock. He literally ate it when it was sinking down. That was a big bass too. Oh my gosh, dude, I need to stop talking to the camera and actually fish. That was another giant. Like, that thing was giant. That fish was huge. Oh my gosh. Why did I mess that up? Oh, I got him. Oh, this is not that big, but still 2.5 pounder right there. That's like a 2.5. Oh my gosh, dude, this is insane. Freaking on the glide bait again, dude. They're smoking it. There's probably 30 fish on this dock, maybe. That's another nice fish. Bye bye, girl. Dude, that fish I missed was giant. Literally, that fish I missed was probably 6 pounds. Because that 5-pounder looked big in the water. That thing looked huge in the water. The boil that fish left that I'd lost. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna walk onto the edge of this dock, I guess. And then after that, I'm probably gonna fish this dock from really quietly. I wanna parallel this dock right here from this side. Oh, dang it. I don't know. Oh well. Oh my gosh, that fish was huge. Oh yeah, this wind. Man, that fish I missed was... Oh my gosh, I had another one. On the fall again, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. I missed another fish off this dock. Probably gonna go with a swim bait now. Or with a soft bait. Alright, so hopefully you guys liked the video. Stay tuned for the next one. But I was just throwing the S-Waver in the trout color, the 168, and I was catching them. I missed like 2 really big fish though. So I'm definitely going to be back here soon, and I'll bring the GoPro, and I'll see if I can't catch them, because these fish are fattening up. That one bass, that one 5-pounder was so fat with that big old shad in its mouth. Stay tuned for the next video.